The rise of automation brings a host of benefits. Firstly, robots can perform tasks more efficiently and accurately than humans, leading to higher productivity and better quality products. This increased efficiency often translates into cost savings for businesses, which can then be passed on to consumers. Secondly, robots can work in hazardous environments, protecting human workers from dangerous tasks like handling toxic chemicals or working in extreme temperatures. Thirdly, automation frees up human workers from repetitive tasks, allowing them to focus on more creative and engaging work. This can lead to greater job satisfaction and a more fulfilling work experience. However, it's important to remember that with these advancements comes responsibility. Section 4. The Robot Revolution: Challenges and Concerns. The rapid advancement of robotics and automation also presents us with challenges. While these technologies promise increased efficiency and productivity, they also bring about significant concerns that we must address. One of the biggest concerns is job displacement. As robots and automated systems become more capable, many traditional jobs are at risk of being replaced. As robots become more sophisticated, they may replace humans in certain job sectors, leading to unemployment. This shift could have profound economic and social implications. It's crucial to address this issue by providing retraining programs and creating new job opportunities in fields like robot maintenance and programming. By doing so, we can help workers transition to new roles and mitigate the impact of job losses. Another concern is data privacy. As robots become more integrated into our daily lives, they will collect and process vast amounts of data. Ensuring the security and ethical use of this information is paramount. We must develop robust cybersecurity measures to protect sensitive data from breaches and misuse. Furthermore, there are ethical dilemmas to consider, such as the potential for robots to be used for malicious purposes or the question of robot rights. These issues raise important questions about the role of robots in society. These are complex issues that require careful consideration and open dialogue. By engaging in thoughtful discussions, we can navigate the challenges and ensure that the robot revolution benefits all of humanity. Section 5. Embracing the future of robotics. The future of robotics is filled with both opportunities and challenges. As robot engineers continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, we can expect to see even more incredible advancements in the years to come. Robots will likely play an even greater role in our lives, from assisting us with everyday tasks to solving some of the world's most pressing problems. It's up to us to harness the power of this technology responsibly and ethically, ensuring that it benefits all of humanity. So, buckle up and get ready for an exciting future shaped by the incredible world of robotics.